Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to disable activity bar or enable it, how to toggle the visibility of activity bar in VS Code. Activity bar is nothing but this is the left hand side section of the screen. If you don't want this activity bar, you can disable it very simply. So first of all, you can go to the view option and then inside your appearance, and here you will see this activity bar position. You will see by default it is set to default position, but there is also this hidden option as well. You can change the position, go to view appearance and then this activity bar. You can change this position to top position, so now it appears at top. You can even right click this activity bar and this position will again come right here. You can go switch this to bottom position right here, or you can hide it. So if I just want to hide this, now the activity bar is completely hidden. It is not visible at all. So once again, if you want to enable it, simply go to the view menu, appearance, and then activity bar, and simply select the default position. So once again, it will be back. So majority of the time you do need the activity bar. So it is just according to the preference. If you do like activity bar, you can enable it. If you don't like it, you can just select the hidden option to disable it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.